Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. Today we will continue with the same topic, that is across the wall. Page number 160. We said you have done so much, what next? Option A. We have been playing well, so we have got a chance to go to many places. We have played for our city and our state. We hope to work hard and play for our country someday. So option A is saying that they have been playing well. So because of that only they got a chance to go to different places. And they also have played for their city as well as for their state. Then they are also hoping to work hard, and in future they also want to play for our country. Yes, then we will also be popular like the cricketers. So one day if they will play for the country, and they will also become famous like cricketers. We all want to play well. We should bring glory to our area and our country. We want to show that the Indian girls team can win a gold medal. We will make this happen. So option A is saying that we all want to play well, and one day they also want to bring glory to our country, to our area and our country, and they want to show them that the Indian girls team can also win a gold medal. So one day they are going to make it happen. Discuss. Have you ever taken part in some game or competition from your school or area? How did you feel? Did you go to some other places to play? What was that place like? How did you like going to that place? Have you seen matches being played between India and other countries? Which ones? We all know about the cricketers of India and we all like them. Do people also know and like the Indian players who play some other games? Yes or no? What do you feel about it? Do you know the players of the Indian football or kabaddi team? We asked, did you face some other difficulties? Khusnur, to tell the truth, we have not got all this very easily. As girls, even to be able to start playing was difficult. So, Khusnur is saying the truth that at first it was not easy for them, because they were girls, and for them it was very difficult. We had to convince our families. Sometimes we even had to fight. So, at first they had to make their parents, make their families to agree, and sometimes they had to fight with them. Even today, not many girls can play like this. Still today, many girls are not allowed to play these games. Forget games. Earlier, some people did not even allow girls to study. So you just forget about the games. Earlier, girls were not allowed to study. My mother wanted to do many things, but she never got a chance. So my mother encourages me to take part in all activities like games, swimming and drama. So because this Kusnur's mother did not, she wanted to do many things, but she did not get a chance to do. So now she encourages her daughter to take part in all the activities like games, swimming and drama. Option A. Even now we are supposed to go home as soon as we finish playing. The boys go here and there and can chit-chat till late. No one says anything. After coming from school, I help my mother with the cleaning work in 2 or 3 houses, do my studies and then come here to play. So, option A is saying that even now these girls should be enter the home after playing. That time the boys go here and there and they talk with their friends. So that time no one says anything. So this Apsana, after coming from school, she helps her mother with the cleaning work in 2 or 3 houses. Then she does her studies and then she comes to play. I also help at home. If my brother wants tea and he makes it for himself, then mother says he has 3 sisters yet he has to work. So she also helps at home. So if her brother wants to drink tea and he only prepares it by himself, then Apsana's mother says that he has 3 sisters, still he has to work. One girl. Now just look at Jarin's younger brother. He is only 5 years old, but he says, Mommy, why do you send Didi to play? She does not look like nice playing like that on the ground. Ask him if he will play, and he says, I am a boy, of course I will play. So one girl said that Jarins has younger brother. He is just 5 years old, and still he says that to her mother that why her Jarin's mother sent Jarins to play. When she plays, she does not look nice while playing. So when she asks this Jarin's brother that whether he wants to play the games or not, that time he says that I am a boy, of course I will play. Option, but it is good for everyone to play. We have now realized how much we benefit from playing. I want to be such a good player that all the girls and boys would wish to be like me. So, option A says that it is good for everyone to play. Because now they have come to realize that by playing, they had so much benefit. So, she also wanted to be a good player than other girls and boys. Discuss what would happen if girls are not allowed to play games, to study, or do some other work of their choice. How would you feel if you were not allowed to take part in some game or drama? Have you heard of any women players? Name them and the games they play. In which areas other than sports have you heard of women getting recognition? Are these women less known than men? Why? How would you find the world to be if girls never got a chance to take part in games, drama, or dance? How would you feel if such a thing happened to boys? Do you know of any woman or girl who you would want to be like when you grow up? Think of names other than a film actor or a model. What next? Afrin. I just want to say that if you have some dreams for yourself, give your best to fulfill them. So, Afrin is saying to everyone that if you have a dream, then what you have to do is you have to give your best. Kushnur, if you have a wish or a dream, have courage to speak about it. If you don't do this now, you may regret later. So, Kushnur is saying that if someone has a dream to become something, so she should take up the courage to tell about to their parents, so that after that they don't have to regret it. We said the newspaper wrote about all of you. Now students will read about you in this book. How do you feel? Afrin, we are so happy about it that we have no words to explain our happiness. We now feel we must play even better to make our area and our country famous. So Afrin said that now they are so happy that they have no words to explain their happiness. So now they feel that they have to play even better to make our area and our country popular. All girls, yes, this is our wish too. So every other girls, they have the same wish. Coach sir, the coach who made this team, Noor Khan, told us this part of Mumbai is very crowded. The coach who made this team, that is Noor Khan, he told that this part of Mumbai is very crowded. This is the only playground in this area. This is our smallest Bachu Khan playground. So, this is the only playground in this area. This is our small Bachu Khan playground. A person named Mustafa Khan used to live in our area. So, in this area, there was a person whose name was Mustafa Khan, and he used to live in this area. Everyone was afraid of him, and every people used to get afraid with him, but children were very fond of him, but all the children, they used to like this Mustafa Khan. So everyone started calling him Bachu Khan. So everyone used to call this Mustafa Khan Bachu Khan. There was no ground then, it was just muddy land. So first there was no ground, it was just filled with mud. Bachu Khan used to train children to play. So Bachu Khan, he used to train the children to play. We were among those children. So these girls were also among those children. It is because of Bachu Khan's devotion and training that players from this area are able to compete with the teams of other countries. So it is because of Bachu Khan's hard work and dedication only these players are able to compete with the teams of other countries. Like Bachu Khan, I have trained the children of this area. So like Bachu Khan only, this one option has trained the team of that area. Today our team has some who play at the international level. So this team, some they play at the international level. Some have even won the Arjuna, and some team members they have also won the Arjuna award. Noor Khan continued, in the last few years we have also prepared a girls team here. So Noor Khan still continued to say that in the last few years they have also prepared a girls team here. Our girls play for the Maharashtra state team. So these girls they play for the Maharashtra state team. They practice well with good discipline. So while practicing, they practice with good discipline. Our girls and boys come from different types of families. So here the girls and boys they belong from different types of families. Some are from poor homes, some from richer, and some they belong from rich family, and some they belong from poor family. Some study in Urdu medium and some in English, but once they come here they all make a team. So some girls and boys they have studied in Urdu medium and some have studied in English school, but once they come to this place they all make a team. Think and write. The newspaper report said Apsana has jumped over the wall, the gender wall that her mother had put up for her. Think and write it in your own words. What was this wall? What do you understand by gender bias? So as we have already studied that Apsana has jumped over the wall and the gender wall that her mother has put up for her. So, what do you think? What they are talking about? Okay, you have to think and write about this wall. Which wall they were talking about? You have to write, think and write. What we have learned: should games for boys and girls be different? Think and write what you feel. So, whatever you feel, whatever you think, you have to write. Whether the games for boys and girls should be different or not, you have to write. If you are made the leader of a team, how will you prepare your team? So, suppose if you were made a leader of a team, so how would you train your team? So, you have to write all the answers. Thank you, students.